Tēnā koutou. In today's video we're going to be looking at the question nā wai and how we can use that to ask who did something. It's important to note that nā wai can be used in one of two ways. Firstly, it can be used to ask who something belongs to, and secondly it can be used to ask who was responsible for doing a certain action. You'll notice that when we use nā wai, we're asking about a past activity as opposed to mā wai, which is future. Nā wai I kai te keke. Nā wai I tango aku pūtu. Nā wai I kai taku hanawiti.